Hey! Sorry if you can hear a baby crying. My walls are paper thin. But anyway, hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's Dub Dub. Today's video is going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April 2019. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month beauty subscription, and you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size products valuing over $120. And at the end of the video, I'll do a little try-on portion, trying to incorporate all the items from the box. So let's get into it. Right when you open it, it looks like this, and you get a little pamphlet on top, and in this pamphlet is a list of the items that you have, a description, and the retail prices for everything. This month's theme is hashtag Ipsy Bloom. So the first big mama I see in this box is Paris Hilton. Like, that's hot. Paris Hilton? It says Paris Hilton Skincare Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. It's a cleansing gel infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. It almost looks like and feels like hair gel. And this guy is supposed to retail for $29. And there's so much product in here. It's 4 fluid ounces. So that's nice. I feel like I say that after everything. So that's nice. So that's cool. Those are my only adjectives to describe anything. Okay, the next item I see here looks like a brush. IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush number 704. It has like an angle to it, and this seems very sturdy. I think, if I'm not mistaken, last month we got this foundation brush, which I've used. I got foundation, guys! Well, it's not real foundation, it's the Sunshine Skin Tint from Milk Makeup. And I also got the skin tint from Glossier, which people say does nothing, but I figured if I'm going from no foundation to trying out foundation, then nothing works for me. Okay, anyway. I don't know, I think it's weird that we got 2 foundation brushes from the same brand. It's super soft and dense, and it has an angle. And it says, for a your skin but better effect, dot foundation on the areas that you need the most coverage, lightly buff foundation outward in a circular motion for a diffused, flawless finish. This one is supposed to retail for $48. So next item I see is a big mama. And it is the Feel Beauty Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. It says, apply this moisturizer to your face and body right after you get out of the shower in your still steamy bathroom to lock in hydration. Use it daily to keep skin soft and smooth. There is so much product in here. It says it's 6 fluid ounces, and it says it moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. The packaging is so cute, and I do enjoy getting moisturizers in my boxes. We got this IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream moisturizer last month, I believe, and I've been using it every time I wash my face. I'm excited to try this one out. So it comes out white, and it feels very silky smooth, and it has a nice fresh clean scent to it. And this big baby goes for $28. Next item I see in the box is this Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Eyebrow Highlighter. This box is so cute. It says apply under the brow, following the arch, and lightly blend with your finger or an eyeshadow brush. For a more defined arch, apply above the brow as well. For a defined eyebrow tail, apply above and at the end of your brow. Here it is swatched. This goes on so easily and creamy. It's so nice feeling. It has a little bit of a pink tint to it, and this one is supposed to retail for $22. The last item in the box looks like an eyeshadow palette, and it is the Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. This packaging is so cute. So cute! It has a full-size mirror, and it comes with a brush, but here it is. Here are the colors. You know what this reminds me of? A palette that I own, but these colors are so cute and so pretty. And I think these highlighters might work for me. This packaging is adorable. I instantly thought of this palette. Don't the colors look the same? Like they have the yellow, they have the matte pink, they have the shimmery green. This one's obviously a lot darker. And then that brownish burgundy-ish color and the two shimmery blues, and then even these purples. Like, it's so strange how similar they look. Like, I thought of this right away. And this is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. They just look so similar, and I am obsessed with this formula, but we'll see how these ones perform on the eyes today. And this palette is supposed to retail for $35. Now I'm going to add up all the retail values for the items. And this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is retailing for $162, which is awesome. Let's jump into the try-on portion, shall we? Okay, first thing I'm going to use is the Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. I feel like I always end up putting on too much moisturizer. It does feel super nice and silky. It's actually burning in some parts of my face, which is not a good sign. I'm looking at the ingredients and I don't see any alcohol, but I see citric acid. Could that be it? I don't know, but I feel like slight burning up here near my eyebrow and a little bit right here. But it's just a little uncomfortable feeling. But besides the burning, my skin looks nice and glowy. It's a slightly sticky, but it'll probably dry down. Let's move on to eyes. Let's see, what can I do with this? I can't get over this packaging. It's so cute! The moisturizer kind of left my hands sticky. I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer first. Okay, I'm going to take the brush that comes with it, and I'm going to go into this neutral shade up here. They don't have names, I don't think, and put that in my crease. A little bit of kickback, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna pop on some mascara and lips and blush really quick. So here is the finished look. I actually really like this palette, and the packaging, easily the cutest packaging I've ever seen. But the moisturizer is not sticky anymore. It felt pretty nice on the skin. It burned in some areas, but I might be allergic to something or something that my skin didn't like in it. My favorite thing, obviously, was the eyeshadow palette in this box. It was definitely worth the $25 for all of this. Let me know what you think about the box. If you're interested in signing up for Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll leave a referral link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then leave me a thumbs up-a-roo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!